Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to put trademark in Clash Royale name. So let's get started. First, copy trademark symbol. Search trademark symbol on Google and copy it. Tap the menu icon from the top right corner of your screen. Next, click on the settings button. Now tap on change name button. If you haven't used a free name change, you can do it now. If you've already used it, it will cost James to change your name again. Type your new name and paste the trademark symbol where you want it in your name. Confirm name change by tapping on the continue button. Re-enter your new name to confirm and finalize it. If you are sure that you want to change your name, type confirm in the text box. Then click on OK button. And that's how you can put trademark in Clash Royale name.